practice, booking deposits may sound cool, but in reality, it's a trade-off and less than ideal experience for your customers. They're constantly reaching out to us asking why this barber's trying to have them cash out them before their haircut. What's going on? My name is Obi from theCut, and we're here for another session at theCut U. We all get it. You want to protect your schedule and you want to make sure your time isn't wasted. And you want to guarantee that you get paid for something. We totally understand that. But what happens if it's an emergency and you're not able to cut the client? It could be an emergency with your family, or maybe you're having car issues. Anything's possible. Life happens. And sure, it may be said that you can easily refund your clients, but it's another step you have to remember to do. Don't worry, we got you. Using cancellation policies and no-show policies, you can do the same exact thing and provide a better experience for your customers and make less work for yourself. And yes, we can guarantee you get paid. Everyone hates when a client doesn't show up to an appointment. They wasted your time when another client could have booked. You could have taken that walk-in that you turned away. But what if I told you with theCut, you can get paid even if they don't show up? You can set up a cancellation policy, no-show policy, or both. And either way, you set your fee that you like to charge, and when a client doesn't show up, you can make a percentage of that haircut price. For your cancellation policy, you'll also get to set up a window. Then when clients have to cancel last minute or don't show up for your appointment, you can still charge them and still be compensated for your time. Once you set up your policies, anytime a client books with you, we will pre-authorize their card to make sure they have enough funds available at the time of service. We'll create a hold, not a charge. And after the appointment passes, you can charge them accordingly. Typically, we'll see barbers set their cancellations at 50% of the total service and their no-shows at 100%. But it's totally up to you to determine what's right for your business. In closing, enable payment processing today and set up your cancellation and no-show policy. Then add your policy details and grace period to your auto comments. Stop scaring off clients who find you on the app but feel weird about sending money to a stranger. Now stay locked in with us. Up next, we'll be discussing the benefits of payment processing.
Thank you for watching theCut U. Hit the link below to download theCut and start your 15-day free trial today. Join the other 10,000 barbers who are actively getting discovered by new clients and managing their schedules and transactions. Please hit that subscribe bell, like the video, and share with someone you think will benefit from what we've shared today.